3 fag 2 food week dog 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speak on. Cook give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes have the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when still I make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active, you fit.
What's up y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So this video right here is kind of an experiment, okay? Never done it before. So if you've been to Chick-fil-A, you've probably had the Polynesian sauce, right? And it's good on chicken. So today I'm going to try and make some Polynesian chicken wings, okay? Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Our chicken wings have been washed, so now I'm just going to season, clean and wash. Let's not forget that part. Add in some garlic paste because I don't have any garlic powder at the moment. Some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, a teaspoon, some Goya, adobo all-purpose, and then a little Creole seasoning, and then I'm just going to rub in the seasoning. Okay, so now I'm going to fry the chicken wings. So I have some flour in a Ziploc bag. I'm going to add some adobo seasoning, some Creole seasoning, not too much, and some paprika. And just so you know, I let the wings sit for about 2 hours before frying them. So now I'm going to flour them. All you have to do is shake the chicken and the flour together until all of them are coated with the flour. And then you can start frying. Alright, flour is hot, so I'm just going to start frying. Alright y'all, so now that all the chicken is done frying, I'm going to let it cool down for a few minutes because I'm going to add it to a Ziploc bag with the sauce, and I don't want the chicken to melt the bag, so I'm going to let them cool down for a few. Alright, so as you can see, I have my Ziploc bag with my Polynesian sauce. I'm just going to go ahead and add the chicken to the sauce. And from here, like so, and you're just going to make sure all the chicken gets covered with the sauce. As you can see, all the chicken is now covered with the Polynesian sauce. So from here, I'm going to transfer them from the Ziploc bag to my container that I'm going to bake these in. So now I'm going to bake these in the oven, 350 degrees, for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright y'all, there you have it. Chick-fil-A Polynesian Sauce chicken wings. If you try it, definitely let me know how you like it. I'm about to try these myself. Look at that. Looks good. Smells even better. So I'm actually gonna try this right now. Let y'all know real time how I like it. Alright. Ooh, it's hot. That's good. I mean, I knew it would be good because we get it all the time, but that is really good. Y'all should give this.
Vibes kitchen at the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.